Alright, here's a randomization for break 311 Big Ballers Regions AFC NFC. We're going to start with the NFC first. So, what's going to go on here? Each spot's going to have one NFC team, one NFC region, and the other one's going to have a NFC region. So, we got AFC East on top and AFC West on bottom. 5 graded on the dice roll. We have 11. I did say I was going to start with the NFC first, but I didn't. I'll start with the AFC. Last round, we got AFC West on top, AFC East on bottom. Get NFC in here next. Yeah, I typed that in wrong too. So the other one says AFC, NFC, but NFC is on top, AFC West on bottom. 5 or greater. We have 4. That's no good. We have 11 again. Final round. NFC North on top, NFC South on bottom. Good luck, everyone.